Imagine this. You're going to the supermarket and you're going through the aisles, grocery section, and you're staring at this pile of avocados and you're thinking like, one is too hard, the other one is already mushy. You look at the price tag and you think like, is this even worth it? Well, today I'm here to tell you why this green little miracle here might become your gut's best friend, just like it became mine. But first, let's talk about the universal avocado struggle. We've all been there. Go to the section, you get the avocado, it's rock hard. You test it, next day, still the same, hard as a rock. And then one day you don't check. And the next day, it's brown, it's mushy. You open it and it's just brown and you can't use it. Or, one of my favorites, I get impatient because I really want to eat the avocado. I cut it open, it's not ripe, yet when I put it back together, it's not ripening anymore. Goodbye. There's so many frustrating avocado stories, but here it's why it's still worth all the struggle when it comes to gut healing power. Number one, avocado is amazing for your gut health because it's very soothing. It helps repair the gut lining and it's like this gentle balm. You already know the consistency when you get a ripe avocado without brown spots and without being rock hard. It also nourishes your gut microbiome and reduces inflammation, chronic inflammation that often creates pain and actually makes it harder for any nutrients to get absorbed. And lastly, on the gut healing power side, they are rich in potassium and in fiber, which supports your gut motility and increases the elimination power. So if you're dealing with constipation, but also diarrhea, avocado, mwah, once you understand them and get them to your heart, they will never leave your kitchen. But gut health is just one of the good things. Beyond that, one of my favorite books at the moment is David Sinclair, Lifespan. Yes, I always take off this, how do you say that book cover, because I really like just to see the real thing. Anyway, David Sinclair, I agree with him on many things. And one of the things he loves avocados as well for longevity and anti-aging, or even reversing aging, which I like way more than anti-aging. Reversing aging, growing younger. That's the word. And why? Because the healthy fats in avocados are amazing for your gut, that's the brain, for your brain and your gut health. They also contain lots and lots of polyphenols and antioxidants, which are often linked to longevity, that's old news. And they help to repair any damaged cells, no matter where they are in the body, and therefore are amazing for your skin and make you live longer and happily. One of the favorite analogies that I ever heard about avocados that helps me to remember why they are so amazing for gut health is, imagine your gut lining. Soft gut lining is like this beautiful lush forest, right? Green, moist. And then there comes toxins and stress and processed foods, and they create like little wildfires, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller, aka inflammation. And then avocado comes in because you watched the video and now you're going into your grocery store and buying avocado, or maybe you knew it before. Avocado is like this gentle rain, right? Natural, gentle rain, which puts out those wildfires, restoring the balance in your gut and just bringing your gut back to life and back to being able to absorb well and eliminate all the toxins and the stress and everything that needs to go. Off it goes with friend avocado. So I encourage you, next time you're in the supermarket and passing the avocado pile, just take a moment to look at the avocado, maybe even take it in your hands if it's possible. Take a deep breath and connect with your gut feelings, because your body knows if avocado is right for you right now or not. Then just check, do I get a yes? Yes, my gut wants this. I really want to eat this. Or maybe not, maybe later. This is your avocado moment, because your body is always talking to you, always communicating. You have an internal antenna which tells you yes or no. So you don't need to overthink this. Just trust and listen what your body tells you. Are you drawn to avocado today, or maybe not? Or are you neutral? And now, friend, I'd love to hear from you. What's your avocado story? Do you have one of those tragic avocado stories where you bought a lot and then it just got brown and mushy? Or when was your last avocado moment where you actually tuned in and was like, yeah, I won? I'd love to hear from you. Share it with us in the comments below. And if you're now like, oh, Peggy, tell me more. I want more gut healing foods. What